In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the October crude oil futures contract, which is on a two-session rally on the lows today, down in that 65 handle, down only 35 basis points, basically a straight up day today, 65.41. And then we went to the upside all the way up to 67.78, almost hit $68 a barrel again today, 3.26%, just over 3.25% on the high side today. We finished just below, up 3.25% at 67.65. Crude oil has risen 9.75% from the lows of 2 days ago. A very impressive two-day rally for crude oil. Now, Indian demand has been part of the discussion today, as that demand is expected to continue to grow, especially as they start to come out of the pandemic that struck India so hard. But not only that, petroleum liquid accounts for 25% of all the energy used within India, and their population is expected to continue to grow. They're expected to surpass China as the world's most populous country by around 2031, and the demand for crude oil is only expected to grow out of there, not just in the short term post-pandemic, but in the long term as well. And that news story that came out today about Indian demand growing tended to push a little bit of crude oil, which already had a tailwind behind it after yesterday's rally. And then, of course, the vaccine approval has been part of this two-day rally from a perspective of the fear of people being unvaccinated and the COVID-19 pandemic slowing the economy even more than it already has started to subside. This is clearly a speculative thing. It's not really a supply and demand based factor, but it did kind of get crude oil up off of the ground over those 2 days. As I mentioned, up almost 10% in the last two sessions.